In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use trend lines for price targets and how I made over $500 on gold shorts from this setup this morning. So using my bridging trend line breakout strategy, we're first going to spot the trends. So I'm going to delete these trend lines and show you where I would start. I'm going to spot the trend on the 5-minute time frame. As you can see, we have a clear bridge forming here, clear uptrend forming. I'm going to start that trend line off the bottom wick. So I'm going to connect that bottom wick and connect solid bodies of this first bridge. And now we're waiting for a retest of a second bridge, right? So we're going to use this trend line as a price target on this specific setup because there's another setup forming, and we're going to use that as extra confirmation. So now we have this area of resistance, and I'm going to draw out this first bridge of this trend line. So now we have two confirmations on this setup, and now I'm going to wait for a break of structure beneath 5-minute trauma and our trend line. So I'm going to use the bar replay and let it play out here. As you can see, as soon as we break structure beneath that trend line, we also close beneath 5-minute trauma. So the red line is the 5-minute trauma, and that's basically the underlying trend. Once that gets broken and our trend line, that signals an entry. That's right when we entered. That trend line even got a retest candle, retest wick right there. And then we're using this bigger trend line as a price target. And that's exactly how I played out this setup, trimmed right on that final price target at this trend line. That's how I use trend lines for price targets and how I managed to catch over $500 on this gold setup this morning. If you would like to learn more about this strategy, comment BTB below or go to the link in my bio. You can get a 7-day free trial to my live trading and my full course.